Hello all, I'm Rajesh Pillai from the Department of Computer Applications. Let us see how to enter multiple choice questions to our online examination portal. For adding questions to our online MCQ, please log into online MCQ question bank. Please log into our DIGNA Digital College Management System using our login credentials. Click on this academic option and it will be redirected to our academic dashboard. In this academic dashboard, click on this online exam link. Here, examination. On clicking examination, two options are available, question bank and question bank list. For entering the questions, click on this question bank. Just like our offline question bank mode, the subject details are to be entered. If it is a core or complementary, select other subject. Then the level UG, course, the program, the name of the program to which the question is to be added, then the semester, then the subject, then the module of the question. Then you have to set the difficulty level. Three options are available, that is easy, medium, and application. Select the difficulty level of the question which we are going to enter. Then the question type as MCQ. Here you can see it's some important points to be noted before entering the questions. Select the difficulty level of question accurately. Through this portal, you can enter only one question at a time. Here you can see the editor for entering the question. This editor is only for entering question. And below that, there are four different editors for entering four options. For example, like an MCQ or MCQ is like this. There is a question and there will be four different options for the answers. For that, you have to enter the question over here. In this editor, you have to enter the question, only the question. So let us enter the question. So you can, for entering the question, you can directly copy paste from a Word document or any other document, or you can directly type. Here, this is my question. So please note, please beware, please do not put any unwanted questions below or after or in the left hand side or right hand side of the question. Please keep a formatting for the questions while entering. Please keep a formatting while entering the questions. So now let us enter the first option. First option in this editor, that is the editor that is named for serial number 1. The second option in the second editor. The third option in the third window, and the fourth in the fourth editor. So we have entered the question and the four options. Now we have to mark the right answer or mark the right option. Here in our portal, we can enter only, or we can set only one answer as right answer. So for marking the right answer, so my question is SQL stands for, and the right answer is structured query language. So I have to mark this as the right answer. So for that, click on this circle. A blue inner circle will be displayed. This indicates that I have set this option, and that is option 2, as a right answer. If I click on this option 1, then automatically this will get disabled and this will get set as a right answer. So here we can set only one option as right answer. So please always be careful while setting the right option, and always keep a randomness in setting the right answer. That is, do not put always first option as the right answer or the second option as the right answer. Keep a randomness. So after that, setting the questions and the right option, click on this save button. A message called question entered successfully will be displayed. So for entering the next question, for the second question, you can enter the second question over here. See, I have another question and I have a formula also. Then if you can directly enter the formula over here, or you can copy paste from a Word document. For entering the formula in this editor, you can click on this insert a math equation, or insert a math equation option over here. Here I'm just copy paste from the I'm just copy pasting it from the Word document. So I have already prepared. That's why I have entered the question. Then the first option in the first editor, second in the second editor, third editor, fourth in the fourth editor. Now I have to set the right answer. First one is the right answer. So then save. A message will be displayed, question entered successfully. Then to view the questions that we have entered, click on this question bank list and select the subject options. The questions will be displayed like this. If you want to delete, here I have a repetition, so I can delete this question by clicking on this delete option. If you want to make any editing on your questions that you have entered, click on this. You can click on this edit option, and that window, that our previous window, will be displayed. You can make corrections, and again on this, click on this save button. Okay, thank you.